Hi, I'm Jules. Parents are often asking me, what toy can I buy for my child? What's going to be really helpful in expressing themselves, helping their language develop, maybe even extending their play? So toys that are interactive, not necessarily with batteries and electronics, things that we can use with our hands and that can do something or they have a function. This little garage is perfect. A lot of little boys and girls do like playing with cars and these garage doors can open. So what we do with this is we're using the words, we're going to say open and closed. We can also do words like driving, inside. We can do where? Oh, where is it? So what I'll do with children first, as always, is I'll model the activity using the words. So modeling or repeating and showing the action is a strategy that speech pathologists use because we know it works. So I'm going to use the words inside, open, inside. Ooh, I wonder if Michael wants to turn. I'll always pause, wait, provide opportunity, and go very slowly. Inside. Have the toys placed in the center where everyone can access them. If you have other siblings, fantastic. They can also provide the experience or saying the words as well. Inside. Oh, open, blue. This one is full. So again, lighthearted, lots of fun. And here we go. Up, up, up. Inside. In. I wonder if Michael wants a turn. Never force, but always encourage children to participate. Provide opportunity, pause, wait. See if they would like to have a turn. Inside. Full. Garage full. Let's finish. Close. Close. Shake. Children love sounds and wondering what's inside things, or they obviously know what's in here, but you can also put other things inside before the game has started, and then you can open them and discover them together. A child might like to have a turn, shaking, opening, having a listen to all those words. This toy can be used in so many different ways to encourage vocabulary, like the ones we saw, and also expand play. So using action words, like we can drive the cars in, we can do driving, we can do hiding. Where's the cars hiding? And obviously those where questions. When your children start to develop a bit more words, we can use it for that as well. This toy comes with a little handle so you can transport it out into the garden, into their playroom, wherever you like. So this is one of my favorite toys. And if you do see it around or something similar, definitely give it a go. I hope you found this helpful. Take care.